What use is an F-call? If you're into contesting, you're likely to have heard of a thing called the Super Check Partial List, and if you haven't, then you should. It's a simple thing, maintained by Stu, Kilo 6 Tango Uniform. It contains a rolling list of the call signs of all the stations that appeared in a minimum of 6 contest logs as a worked station over the past 2 years. That means several things. First of all, it means that you need to make contacts. Then, each of your contacts needs to submit their log, and it has to happen on a regular basis. If all that works, you end up with a text file that has some 43,000 call signs in it. This is a useful tool if you have logging software that can use the list to do partial matches on call signs. If your call sign is only partially heard, let's say the other station only hears the Lima Alpha Bravo out of the whole call sign, Victor Kilo 6 Foxtrot Lima Alpha Bravo, it might return 2 or 3 hits, and that might be enough to narrow down your whole call sign. So instead of the backwards and forwards exchanging letters, the other station might be able to give you a contest number in one hit. If you're into contesting, that's a big deal. But it's not just for contesting. If you're into DXing, it might also help you, since the SuperCheck partial list is commonly used in day-to-day DX operation. So you might find yourself with a brand new country on your DXCC because you are actively contesting, making contacts and appearing in other people's logs. Now for the catch. This only works if you actually submit your log to Stu. So every time you do a contest, take an extra moment to also submit your log to the SuperCheck Partial robot, lovingly processing your log file via email. The address is logs@supercheckpartial.com. That was logs@supercheckpartial.com. Stu mentions that VK and ZL are severely underrepresented, so put your log into the system and reap the rewards. SuperCheck Partial, a free service by another volunteer radio amateur like you. I'm Ono, Victor Kilo 6 Foxtrot Lima Alpha Bravo.